In a world where cancer rates are on the rise, it's crucial to arm ourselves with knowledge and take proactive steps to prevent this devastating disease. And guess what? One of the most effective weapons we have is right in our hands, our forks. Cruciferous vegetables, nature's cancer fighters. Let's start our journey into the world of anti-cancer foods with the mighty cruciferous vegetables. These nutritional powerhouses, including broccoli, cauliflower, kale, and Brussels sprouts, offer a multitude of health benefits and have gained recognition as nature's cancer fighters. Cruciferous vegetables are packed with a unique combination of phytochemicals, antioxidants, and anti-inflammatory compounds that make them stand out in the fight against cancer. These vegetables contain potent substances such as sulforaphane, indole 3-carbinol, and glucosinolates, which have been extensively studied for their cancer-fighting properties. Scientific studies have shown that regular consumption of cruciferous vegetables can significantly reduce the risk of various cancers, including breast, lung, and colorectal cancer. One study, published in the Journal of the American Medical Association, found that individuals who consumed cruciferous vegetables regularly had a lower risk of developing lung and colorectal cancer. So, how can you incorporate these cancer-fighting heroes into your diet? Get creative. Try roasting broccoli with garlic, making a colorful kale salad, or enjoying a cauliflower stir-fry. Berries, tiny warriors against cancer. Get ready to discover the small but mighty warriors in the fight against cancer, berries. Berries are known for their remarkable antioxidant content, which helps protect our cells from harmful free radicals. These unstable molecules can cause DNA damage and contribute to the development of cancer. Antioxidants found in berries act as scavengers, neutralizing free radicals and reducing their damaging effects. By incorporating berries into our diet, we can provide our bodies with a powerful defense against cancer. Scientific studies have shown promising results regarding the potential of berries in inhibiting the growth of cancer cells and reducing tumor formation. For example, a study published in the Journal of Clinical Oncology found that women who consumed higher amounts of blueberries and strawberries had a reduced risk of developing certain types of cancer. The best part is that adding berries to your diet is not only delicious but also versatile. You can enjoy them on their own, add them to smoothies, sprinkle them on top of yogurt, or include them in salads for a burst of natural sweetness and vibrant colors. Leafy green vegetables, nutrient powerhouses. These vibrant greens, such as spinach, kale, and Swiss chard, are not only visually appealing, but also packed with an abundance of essential nutrients that can support our overall health and help combat cancer. Leafy green vegetables are nutritional superheroes, loaded with vitamins, minerals, fiber, and phytochemicals. These elements work in harmony to provide numerous health benefits, including protection against cancer. These greens are rich in vitamins A, C, and K, which play crucial roles in maintaining a strong immune system and supporting healthy cell function. They are also excellent sources of minerals like iron, calcium, and magnesium. Furthermore, leafy green vegetables contain a variety of phytochemicals, such as carotenoids, flavonoids, and glucosinolates, which have been associated with cancer prevention. Studies have shown that regular consumption of leafy greens can help reduce the risk of various cancers, including breast, prostate, and stomach cancer. Incorporating leafy green vegetables into your diet is not only a smart choice for cancer prevention, but also a delightful culinary adventure. You can enjoy them in salads, sauté them with garlic, or add them to smoothies for a refreshing boost of nutrients. Turmeric, the golden spice of health. Prepare to unlock the secrets of one of nature's most powerful spices, turmeric. Known for its vibrant golden hue, turmeric contains a compound called curcumin, which has been revered for its incredible health benefits. Turmeric is renowned for its potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, thanks to curcumin. These properties make it a formidable warrior in the fight against cancer. Curcumin has shown promising potential in inhibiting the growth of cancer cells and reducing tumor development. Its ability to target multiple signaling pathways within the body makes it a fascinating natural weapon against cancer. Numerous studies have explored the anti-cancer effects of curcumin. Research suggests that curcumin can interfere with cancer cell division, inhibit tumor growth, and even induce cancer cell death. In fact, a study published in the journal Cancer Prevention Research demonstrated that curcumin can suppress the growth of various cancer cells, including those associated with breast, colon, and prostate cancer. Incorporating turmeric into your daily meals is easier than you might think. You can sprinkle turmeric powder on roasted vegetables, add it to curry dishes, or even blend it into smoothies. The possibilities are endless. Healthy fats, nourishing and protective. Contrary to popular belief, not all fats are bad for us. In fact, incorporating healthy fats into our diet can have a positive impact on our health, including reducing the risk of certain cancers. Avocados, nuts, and seeds are excellent sources of healthy fats. These foods are packed with monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, including omega-3 fatty acids, which offer a multitude of health benefits. Omega-3 fatty acids are renowned for their anti-inflammatory properties. Inflammation is a key driver in the development and progression of various diseases, including cancer. By including healthy fats in our diet, we can help reduce inflammation and support our overall health. Scientific studies have indicated that a diet rich in healthy fats may reduce the risk of certain cancers, including breast and colon cancer. Incorporating healthy fats into our meals is not only beneficial, but also delicious and versatile. You can enjoy sliced avocado on toast, sprinkle nuts and seeds over salads, or even blend them into smoothies for a nourishing boost. Remember, it's important to choose whole food sources of healthy fats, rather than relying on processed or fried foods that contain unhealthy fats. So, let's embrace the power of avocados, nuts, and seeds to nourish our bodies and protect our health. Share this video with your loved ones and empower them with the knowledge of cancer-fighting foods. Remember, every bite we take can be a step towards a healthier future.